Building green could be one such option among many others.
Green buildings are buildings which are designed, constructed and operated to minimize the adverse impact on the environment.
Today, builders and developers in India are making more green buildings than ever before. India today has over 250 buildings covering over 1 billion square feet certified as green by the Indian Green Building Council. The Indian Green Building Council, IGBC, is taking a lead in promoting the importance of green and sustainable building designs through its LEED, that is, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design Certification. One such contributor to the green building movement in India is Vidur Bharadwaj, a pioneer of green architecture in northern India. Spread over close to 90,000 square meters, this down-to-earth appearing campus is among the world's 10 largest platinum-rated LEED, or Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design certified green building in the core and shell category from the US Green Building Council. A sneak peek into 3C Green Boulevard could give us an insight about what a green workplace of tomorrow may be like. Located in Noida, a bustling suburb of New Delhi, India's national capital, 3C Green Boulevard has delighted its tenants and the people working here in equal measure. For most part of the year, there is free flow of wind movement from the north and northwest. And since these buildings are on stilts, it allows generous amounts of wind to enter the premises over water body and plants. Shunya, meaning zero in the Hindi language, is a concept of sustainable living involving very low energy consumption and zero dependence on the electrical grid. The energy requirement of this home is between 85 to 90% lower than that of a conventional one. Unlike conventional homes whose energy demands are met using conventional resources, Shunya relies solely on renewable sources of energy. However, this is just a small step towards reducing carbon footprint. A big leap forward is required if we need to balance the gap between demand and supply of natural resources. So what would the offices of the future be? The need of the hour is to have buildings that would go a long way in making our planet cleaner, greener and cooler.